Hi everyone, it's Sandy. I have a quick make project for you. If you like making pockets, I have here a tag shape pocket pouch that you can make in any size just using your paper stash. The measurements are really easy, and these are great to add a bunch of tags inside the pockets. You could add some packaged goodies, anything you like, and you can just make them to whatever size you like. So the ones that I made here are just some of these different size ones. I added a bow that you could make using your paper strips and make these lovely bows. I have a tutorial. If you haven't seen it, I'll put that link down below for you if you wanted to make one of these lovely bows. And it's a great way to finish off the tag shaped pocket. And there is a nice sort of large opening in there, so you can easily slip in whatever you like to place inside the pocket pouch. And it's just lovely. You can use your double-sided papers, single-sided papers. This is another size, a bit more wider, a nicer, deeper size. So whatever you want to add into your pocket, you can just measure out the item you want to put in here and measure out the tag and the pocket shape, and then you'll be able to make one of these. This one here is a longer, slimmer tag shaped pocket pouch, and I use a 6x6 size paper. So if you have 6x6 paper pads, you can make these lovely slim wide pocket pouches, and you can still put a lot of stuff in there. And I'll show you a few things that I've got that you can put in here just to give you an idea. And there is also a tiny one here that I made. This would probably be great to add some tea bag sachets, little packaged handmade jewelry. This one here is a more reasonably larger size where you can add some larger tags. This is one of the tags I also made in one of my other videos using your paper scraps. So you can place dimensional embellished tags in here as well, and you can have fun embellishing the front. You could also add another little pocket here in the front to add some more little smaller tags if you like, and just cut a strip of paper wide enough to fit on here, and then glue the three sides down to create another pocket. So just a fun pocket. And another way you could use these pockets, you can add these into your planner folders. You can punch a couple of holes here on the part that's folded, and then add these into your binder rings, and then you've got a side pocket here to add your planner sticker sheets, your washi samples, some notes, your daily notes or shopping list, and then you can slide these inside your planner organizer folders. You could also make a stack of these and sort of punch a couple of holes on the sides here and line them all up. And you can also use some binder rings and create like a side pocket mini album, or to keep everything stored together. And then you just slide these into the binder rings, and you've got like a flip tag shaped pocket folder, and you can have them all stacked that way. And another fun way to do that, so you can stack them that way. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. You can make these using any size papers. So I've got here a bunch of different paper sizes. You just want to make sure your paper is sort of long enough so that you're able to fold it in half. So whatever size paper you're going to fold in half will sort of determine the depth of your pocket. So just decide what size you want the depth of your pocket and also the width. So I'm going to I'll grab a couple, and I'll make one in a 6x6 size. I'm going to make a slim wide one, and this is just a single-sided paper, so you can make them with single-sided paper. The only thing with the single-sided paper, you will see the white part along this part here, so if that's not a bother for you, then that's okay. You can also embellish the white part as well with some of your embellishing or some papers to cover that up. And let me see, I might make one, I'll use this one because this is a reasonably good size, and I like the width of this size, so when I fold it, it'll be a great size pocket to make. And I'll make one with a 6x6 size paper as well. Actually, I might use, no, I'll use that one. Actually, I might make it out of this one. All right, so I've got two papers. I've got this cute little piece. I might even, I'll just make two for now. Just put these to the side. And if you don't have a scoreboard, you can also make it without the scoreboard. There is no problem with making it without one, but I'll use a scoreboard, and I'll just give you the measurements that you'll need without the scoreboard, because the measurements are really easy. So what you want to do first, I'm going to fold the paper in half because I'm using a smaller scoreboard, but if you have the larger one, you can just keep it open. All you want to do here is you want to score in at 1/4 of an inch in. You just want to be able to have a little fold on each side. So I've got enough here to put this whole piece down. So I'm just going to score at 1/4 of an inch on both sides, on the longer sides, just like that. And then you're going to fold it in half, or you can score it. I'm just going to fold it. And we'll just grab some scissors. And all you want to do here is you just want to go in roughly about an inch up the top and on the side here to create that angle cut. So just give yourself about an inch from on the side and the top. And we're going to just cut that at an angle. Grab one of these pieces, and we're going to use that as a template and turn it around this way, and we're going to place it on the other corner, so that way you have both your angles somewhat the same size, and we're going to cut that as well the same. So now this is how your paper will look. We're going to open this up, and we are going to remove this piece and this piece. I'm just turning mine upside down so it's easy for me to cut. And then I'm just going to just slightly angle cut it about that much. And I'll do the same on this side, removing this side. And doing the same and just cutting that in a little bit. So you'll see this is how it should look. So you'll have these two sides. These two pieces we're going to fold in. And then we'll go bring this up. And then this part here, I might go this way because I want the pattern facing the right way. I'm going to bring this piece down and just folding it over to where these two little corners are. So you want to just fold it towards you. So you'll have the front flap facing down, and then you've got the top part at the back, and it sort of looks like a tag shape. And then once you've got that all pressed down, we just go to now put some glue along the sides here. And for those of you wanting to know what glue I use, I'm using this glue by Helma, which I purchased at here in Sydney in Australia in the Spotlight store. So you can get that there. If you are from other parts of the world, I'm not too sure what's the best glue for you, but you may be able to find something similar to use for liquid glue. I like this one. It doesn't warp and it doesn't bubble. It glues really well, glues nice and clear and quick. So now we've got the sides done, so you'll have yourself a opening. I'm just going to glue this top part here, or this part of the flap, and seal that down. And then with that glue, I just fill it up in a smaller bottle. Just makes it easy for me when I work on my projects. I do have a video where I have suggested the glues that I use, and if you want to look down below in the comments of that video, you see a lot of my followers will recommend their glue that they use if they are not in Australia. So if you're in the US or Canada, UK or other parts of the world, you can have a look at the comments down below, and that might give you some tips and ideas on what glues they use if you are from somewhere that might be suitable for you to use. So thank you to all of my followers that have left comments and suggestions below that video for the glue types. But this is how it looks like. So that's all there is. And you've got a nice large opening, and you can decorate and embellish the front. Then you can have fun adding all your bits and pieces. And I was going to show you what goes in here, but I'll do that in a second. Let me do one more with a 6x6 paper, and this time I'm not going to use the scoreboard. I'm going to just fold it without one. So this is a single-sided paper, so all I'm going to do is just do a slight little fold on one side, which is roughly about the same as the other one, about 1/4 of an inch in, and then the other side. So there we go. I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to now fold this over in half the other way. And then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do the same and cut at an angle about 1 inch in from the top and the side. Just grab one of the top pieces, flip that over, bring it over to this side, the corner. Open that up. We're going to remove these two pieces. I make this little angle cut. It just makes it easier to create the fold of your pocket, and it doesn't sort of give a little, doesn't bulk at that corner part at the bottom. So that's those parts all done. And now I'm just going to bring these two pieces back in. Add some glue. Or actually, before I glue it, I'm going to fold it down first, just to get all the folds right. Then I'm going to bring this top front part over and lining it up with the edge of the corner, just folding it towards me. So that's that part done. You can see, so it is white up here. So if you don't want that white part, you can add some washi tape and decorate the white part with some washi tape. Add some scrap papers to cover it, or just leave it. So now I'm just going to glue these two sides down. And I'll just now glue along here. And there you've got yourself a slim, wide, tag-shaped pocket pouch. And it looks the same as this one. So these are just fun little pocket ideas. I think these are great little pockets. So let me show you what what you can put in these little slimmers. I've got a bunch of things that I've made in the past. I want to see what will fit in here. I've got some tags. I made these. I constructed these coin envelopes with paper scraps too, which was done in my recent videos. These were fun to make. So what can we put in here? So even if something's long and wide, it's still going to look nice, because it's just a pocket to hold whatever you have. So let's go put one of those little mini coin envelopes. Look how cute that is. These make cute little gifts. I also have a tag. Let's throw that in there. And you'll see how nice it will look already. I've got a little pocket full of bits and pieces here. Oh, okay. I've done one of these. I did a video for these. And I think it was a video using 3x4 size papers to make this little mini loaded Happy Mail goodie. I think it was using 3x4 papers. I can't remember, but it was just a fun little project idea. Let's pop these in there. Okay, so we've got a bunch of those. Let's throw that in here as well. So we can still have room in here to fit some more stuff. Got a little embellishment. Let's throw that in there. Pick that little hello friend in the front. Got one of these little embellishments. Put that there. Got a notebook. I think that's a notebook. Let's just pack this pocket in. What else have I got? I feel like I want to put some more. Oh look, I've got one of these. What's this? I've just got all these things laying around on my desk. This one, a little embellished wood pick, like that. You can pop that in there. Let's see, that fits nicely in there. Makes a cute little loaded Happy Mail idea. Should I throw one more? Let's throw this in here. I made one of these too a while back using a circle shape, and just folded that up. Let's place that in there. Put that. Actually, I might put that on the side. These little dangles in the front. What do you think of this loaded, jam-packed pocket full of goodness in there? How lovely does that look? This just looks so scrumptious. So make a bunch of pockets, embellishments, tags, and little mini envelopes, and then you can pack them in one of these envelopes. And this was just using a single-sided paper, really easily. Oh, you know what, let's just throw this coin envelope. It's just sitting there. Let's just throw that in there, have that poking up. Look at that. This is great. This is lovely. And you know what I might do? I'm going to make one of these myself and add this to the giveaway that I'm still putting together. So I hope you enjoyed this pocket pouch idea, making it as a tag shape, and you can see you can make all in different sizes. Hope this is a fun little project for you. If you like making pockets, you can also make these and add them into your planners, as I had mentioned. Enjoy making these. It's a great little weekend project, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.